Hi again. We have finished with individual vowel sounds and it is time to master diphthongs so you can have the full spectrum of vowels before we move forward into consonant sounds. Diphthongs are not that difficult if you have mastered individual vowel sounds before, but it is essential to know all these details so you can have a better pronunciation overall. Remember to subscribe, share, and comment. A diphthong is a type of vowel sound that consists of two distinct vowel sounds pronounced together within the same syllable. This means that when you pronounce a diphthong, your mouth changes position as you make the sound, creating a unique combination of two different vowel sounds. There are several diphthongs in English and can be tricky for English learners to master, since they require careful attention to mouth positioning and airflow. But with practice, anyone can learn to pronounce them accurately, and we will start with the easiest ones. Before you watch this video, make sure to have previously watched the schwa sound for a better understanding. This diphthong includes the sound I and E. Here you have the vowel chart. At this point, this chart must be easy to understand. If you don't get it completely, go watch the pronunciation list in the description. So, to produce this sound, we need to move from the front vowel I to the middle unrounded vowel E, and it sounds I, 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 I. Remember that diphthongs require movement and combination. Try yourself, and for a better reference, this diphthong by itself sounds as if you pronounce the word ear, ear. Just keep in mind that some people may include a rhotic ending. Check the description to watch the video about rhotic sounds. Listen, ear, ear, ear. But with the rhotic sound, it sounds like ear, ear, ear. So avoid including the rhotic ending. There may be several ways to find this diphthong. For example, words written with EA, for example, real, real. Words written with EAR, for example, ear, ear, near. Words written with EER, for example, cheer, beer, sheer. Words written with ERE, for example, here or we're. Now, this diphthong in particular is very common in British pronunciation, but for American English, you omit the final schwa and include a soft rhotic ending. Listen, real, ear, year, near, cheer, beer, sheer, here, we're. Now, this diphthong includes the vowel sounds E and E. To produce this sound, we need to move from the E sound to the schwa, and it sounds E, E, E. For a better reference, this diphthong by itself sounds as if you pronounce the word E, E, in British pronunciation, obviously. If you pronounce with a soft ending rhotic, it sounds not the same. Listen, air, air, air. So it is what you breathe. Unfortunately, spelling is not easy to spot. For example, words written with ARE, for example, care, square. Words written with AIR, for example, air, chair, fair. Words written with EAR, for example, where. Words written with ERE, for example, where. Words written with AER, for example, airplane. And finally, these three words have the same pronunciation: there, there, there. Remember, this diphthong is particularly used in British pronunciation. If you prefer American, you can add a rhotic ending. Listen, care, square, air, chair, fair, where, airplane, there, there. So all of them have a soft rhotic ending. Here I have a short story divided in 3 slides. Pause the video in every part and read aloud. Remember, this practice is for pronunciation. Don't worry if you don't understand all words. The idea is that you identify and improve your pronunciation. Pause the video every single time. Here we start. And so we have covered the first pair of diphthongs. In case you have questions or comments, let me know. It is my pleasure to help you certify English for your goals.